Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you the LIHIT Lab Smart Fit Compact Pen Case. This is a Japanese brand, LIHIT Lab. They have many different pen cases and things like that. I did lots of research on which one I really wanted. They have so many really cool ones and very functional ones, but I decided because I commute to school on the bus and SkyTrain that I wanted to minimize the amount that I'm bringing in my bag. So I was thinking, okay, I'll just bring as little as possible in this little pen case. So yeah, I'll go ahead, take it out of the wrapping. So I got it in the navy blue. It's a nice color, you know. And then it has this fabric. It's kind of like backpack polyester, waterproof. This is water resistant and stain resistant. So if your pen, you know, scratches it, it won't leave a mark, which is nice. Then it has its little, you know, this display thing showing you about it. It can't really read Japanese, so yeah, that's, you know. Then it says smart to fit for all active action. So I believe if you look for this online on like Amazon or JetPens, it's called the Smart Fit Tact. So it's basically just this active and action, like act and act put together. Weird, I just figured that out right now. So that's cool. So let's open it up. It's just very small and light. I don't remember the dimensions, but it's about like maybe 3 by, I don't know, 3 by 7 or something. I really don't know. Don't trust me on that. So I'm just gonna open it. So okay, cool. It comes with this to kind of help keep its shape, and then a little card which I cannot read. And then yeah, this is it. There are 4 pockets, 2 mesh. This one goes all the way down. This one's just a small one. This one also goes all the way down, and this one's a small one. And then the padding back here is kind of soft to protect the pens. So people with fountain pens, it will usually, you know, help protect that. So that's nice. And yeah, so this is it. Really, the more important thing is how I'll be using it. So I have everything that I'm going to be using in it, or putting in it, right here. So, okay, so I have my pens. I have the Muji six color pen, just a regular ballpoint pen. So there's that. Let's put it in here. Then pencil, mechanical pencil. I tried using regular pencils, like, you know, the number 2 pencils, but I don't know, they're just, it gets dulled too fast. So then I have the 0.38 Muji in black, and a 0.5 also in black. Then I have 2 zebra mild liners, the ones that I'm using right now. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think they have like a color on it. If they do, it's in Japanese. So yeah, so I'll just put those there. So it fits 6 pens very comfortably. Yeah, like I wouldn't put another one. Or if I took this out and put 2 more small Mujis or the mechanical pencil, because it's pretty thin. But this is all I need. The six pens pencil highlighter. So there's that. Then I will be bringing around some sticky notes because I love sticky notes, and they're just so extremely useful. So what I did was, I think I'm gonna put it here. So even though it comes all the way down, I'm gonna put it there. So I can put this, which is quite bulky. I know they're thinner ones, but I believe these are, I don't know, whatever it is, they're bulky. So I'm gonna put, actually I'm gonna put my eraser in first, okay? And then I'm gonna put in the whiteout and shape it so that the whiteout is kind of above the eraser and it kind of has a flatter surface together. Okay, so I'm gonna have that. Then I'm gonna put in, oh, just a gift card for my school. I guess put that in here, gift card, so I remember. I always forget to use it. And then my USB stick, which maybe, I think I'll put it here. So this is how I'm gonna be setting it up, and it's still relatively flat. So yeah, my problem with having all those different misshaped items is that the pen case would get bulky and potentially not even close, but this seems to be the best way to keep it from that, basically. So this will keep it as compact as possible and as, you know, organized as well. So the reason why I absolutely love this pen case and I'm just 100% sure that I want it is because I can just zip it up this way, even though this is a zip it up in the middle, which is nice. I can zip it up here and open it up and see what I'm going to take out. And easy, simple, super functional, convenient, time-saving. And then when I'm working and doing stuff, I can have it open, grab a sticky note, grab the pen, and yeah, maybe I'm not using the space to its maximum potential, or maybe I am. Whatever it is, this will definitely be working for me, and I'm really excited to use it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully it helped you and helped you in your decision to get this compact pen case. Thanks for watching. See you next time.